This is a drawing of the left outer surface of the brain. You see two areas that are marked. These two areas play a very important role in language. The blue area is Broca's area. It is responsible for planning the physical movements necessary to speak, such as how to move the jaw, lips, and tongue to say a specific word. This section is associated with Brodmann's areas 44 and 45. The green area is Wernicke's area. This is where the brain interprets what is being heard when someone speaks to us. It interprets the auditory information and assigns meaning to the words we hear. It is associated with Brodmann's area 22. When one or both of these areas are damaged due to something like a stroke or a traumatic brain injury from a fall, aphasia can occur. Aphasia is an acquired language disorder due to some kind of brain injury. It can affect verbal production, such as speech, comprehension of speech, reading, and writing. It does not affect intelligence, it is not a speech disorder, and it is not a psychological disorder. When Broca's area is damaged, it results in Broca's aphasia. Someone with Broca's aphasia may have a hard time physically speaking. They may have pauses and only get a word or two out at a time. This is called non-fluent speech. It takes a great effort for them to get the words out that they want to say. Their comprehension of language is usually intact, so they can understand what is said to them. They may be able to read, but their writing abilities will likely mirror their speaking abilities, so they would have a hard time writing in full sentences. When Wernicke's area is damaged, it results in Wernicke's aphasia. Wernicke's aphasia is basically opposite to Broca's aphasia. Someone with Wernicke's aphasia will most likely be able to speak just fine. If you're passing them in a hall, you'd think nothing was wrong with their speech. But if you have a conversation with them, you realize that what they're saying doesn't make any sense. They also may have a hard time comprehending what someone is saying to them, and with Wernicke's aphasia, both reading and writing are also impaired. Thank you so much.